Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential foundation: canvas, event system, and a named menu root prefab. Once configured, make sure anchors and pivots match target aspect ratios, 16:9, 4:3. Then create the core panels and buttons inside that prefab so you can iterate. This first action avoids scattered objects. It ensures you can update one asset and propagate changes. You do this now to save time later, because a unified route lets you control layout, visibility, and transitions centrally. Once the prefab exists, implement the interaction layer, layout groups for consistent spacing, and a content size fitter for variable items. You wire all button on click events to a single menu controller script so logic stays centralized and testable. Make sure to use Canvas Group to toggle alpha, interactivity, and blocks raycasts. This gives smooth transitions. Also, add keyboard or gamepad navigation by configuring the navigation fields or handling input in the controller. That keeps behavior predictable across devices. Finish by polishing transitions and testing across resolutions and devices. You should create short animator or tween clips for open/close. Keep them snappy so users feel responsiveness. Then build and test on target platforms, verifying safe area and input methods. If something fails, follow one rule: isolate the prefab in a clean scene, inspect Canvas Group and rect transforms, and validate event bindings. That troubleshooting step quickly reveals common causes: missing event system, disabled Canvas Group, or wrong prefab references, so you can fix the only way to menu unity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.